Hi Disney lovers, it's Moika and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a full tour of the Toy Story Hotel Shanghai Disneyland. Okay, let's dive right in. I mentioned this in the previous video, but just as a refresher, Shanghai Disney Resort includes one park, 2 Disney hotels, Disney Town, and Wishing Star Park. Here's the resort map again. Today's video is all about the Toy Story Hotel, located right here. If you're curious about the Shanghai Disneyland Hotel, the park itself, or tips for visiting Shanghai Disneyland, I've done a full tour of the other hotel and shared our 2-day experience at the park, so be sure to check those out. Now, before we go inside, here's a quick note about staying at the hotel. Guests at either of the 2 Disney hotels get to enter the park 1 hour before official opening time, which is such a nice advantage. You'll use a Disney Town priority entrance. There's also a complimentary shuttle bus from the Toy Story Hotel to the park, but it can get really crowded, especially in the morning, so just a heads up if you're planning to use it. Alright, let's head inside the hotel. This hotel is super cute, colorful, and playful, and the shape of the building itself is really unique. It kinda looks like a stretched out S or a number 8, with courtyards in each section. Let's first check out the room. The Toy Story Hotel offers a few different types of rooms. There are standard rooms with garden, courtyard, or park views, 2 theme rooms, the Buzz Lightyear room and the Woody and Jessie room, and 1 suite room called the Toy Box Family Suite, which is super cute. We stayed in a standard room with a garden view, in room 11198. When you walk in, there's an open closet to the right. On the wall inside, there's this cute little reusable bag with a signature cloud wallpaper design. We already took them out, but the room came with adorable slippers, Woody's icon on one foot and Buzz's on the other. To the left is a bathroom, which I will show you later. There's a mini kitchen area with mugs, tea and coffee, a kettle, and bottled water. Underneath, there's a small fridge. The room has 2 double beds. Standard rooms come with either 1 queen or 2 double beds. The hall room is inspired by Andy's room, with the iconic cloud wallpaper. There's a cute picture on the wall, and the bed runners feature all of Andy's toys. So cute! Even the bedside table is shaped like a Rubik's Cube, and it actually opens to reveal a safe inside. Next to the mini kitchen is a TV and a small colorful drawer unit. There's also a little table with 2 chairs, and these fun little items came with the room. These look like some kind of luggage tags, a mini clip, and inside this one was a Lotso-themed eye mask. The attention to detail is just amazing. There's even a drawing of Slinky Dog on the light. And above the curtains, there are lots of little green men lined up. If you have trypophobia, you might not love it, but I thought it was cute. Here's the view from our room. It was dark when I filmed, but even during the day it was just grass, so the garden view wasn't super scenic, just FYI. The carpet also ties into the theme, with Woody's Sheriff Star and Buzz's planet icon. And here's the bathroom. The curtain has cute illustrations of Woody and friends, and there's a red and white checkered pattern on the wall next to the tub. Maybe inspired by Pizza Planet? Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. The sink area is decorated with a playful mirror frame, and they provide disposable cups. Just like at the Disneyland Hotel, there are 2 bottled waters here, probably for brushing teeth. And here's a hairdryer. Now let's explore the rest of the hotel. Here's a little map we received. As I mentioned, the hotel is shaped like an S or number 8, with courtyards in the middle of each wing. First up, the lobby. It's a pretty spacious area with colorful card-like patterns on the floor. There are gacha machines and a map of the hotel that shows how one half is Woody themed and the other half is Buzz themed. The waiting area is pop and colorful, and there are some little games set up too. There's a souvenir medallion machine and a mobile battery station, decorated with the familiar Toy Story alphabet blocks from Andy's room. Right off the lobby is a Lotso shop, the hotel's souvenir store. And throughout the hotel, you'll spot lots of cute artwork featuring the toys and familiar moments from the movies. The hotel has 2 dining options. Sunnyside Café is a restaurant that offers both buffet and a la carte menus, featuring dishes like dim sum, noodles, grilled items, and more. If you're looking for something quicker, Sunnyside Market is a grab-and-go spot with snacks such as ice cream, fruit, salad, sandwiches, and noodles. We didn't get a chance to eat here this time, but I'm including a few shots of the interior for you to check out. There's also a playroom for kids ages 2 to 12. Our room was in the Woody building, but I also got some footage of the bus building hallways. Now let's go outside and check out the courtyards. Each building has its own courtyard. Buzz's courtyard features a huge Buzz Lightyear statue, while Woody's courtyard has a giant Woody statue and the launch pad, a water play area where the little green men prepare a rocket for launch. It's really adorable. And here's something really fun. There's a meet and greet area where you might run into Woody, Buzz, Jessie, or Bo Peep. Usually, 2 characters appear at random times. We tried to meet them on our last day, but sadly, no luck. Thank you for watching and see you real soon.